permutation and combination is one of the topics that will be said in your JAMB. So you expect some of the questions from them. So let's go. So going by this, we have school. So we have school, that is SCHOOL. So how do you go about it? First of all, you have to count how many number of letters that are there. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you say 6 factorial. 6 factorial. So this is 6 factorial over. Then you check those ones that repeated more than once. So you can see that we have O that repeated more than once. So this is 2 factorial. So you focus on those that repeated more than once and you put it at the denominator there. So what does 6 factorial means? It means 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2. I'll stop here, 2 factorial, because I have 2 factorial here. So it will cancel out. So going by this, we have 6 times 5 is 30. 30 times 4 is 120. 120 times 3 is 360. So 360 is the answer. Then we'll go to the next one, number 2. If I is a 2 by 2 identity matrix. 2 by 2 identity matrix. 2 by 2 identity matrix. When we have what is called identity matrix. Once is 2 by 2. 2 by 2 identity matrix is 1, 0, 0, 1. So if you check this is 2 by 2 identity matrix. 3 by 3 identity matrix is 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, then 0, 0, 1. You will see that it is grouped based on the x, the y, and the z axis. But in this 2 by 2, it is grouped based on the x and the y axis. So in this, here is 1, y is 0. The same thing happens here. So we are told to find determinant of the 2 by 2. How do you do that? Determinant is this times this minus this times this. So we have 1 times 1 minus 0 times 0, which is 1, minus 0, which is 1. So the answer is 1. Then we have the next one, number 3. A varies variation. So we have variation here. This is number 3. A varies directly as b squared. So let us introduce a constant. We'll remove this symbol and put kb squared, k as the constant. So let's try to impute the value. When a is 4, so here is 4 is equals to k bracket 1 square. So we have 4 is equals to 1 square is 1, 1 times k is k. So when you get it, you get relationship between them by putting the value of this constant here. So we have a is equals to, that is 4b squared. So with this relationship, you can now answer any kind of question that will follow. Find a when b is 2. So we have a is equals to 4 bracket 2 square. A is equals to, this is 4 brackets, 2 square is 4. So 4 times 4 will give us 16, option C. So we have other question here.